This date will long be remembered in the history of Goa University as the hallowed day on which our Rashtrapati honored us by graciously accepting our humble invitation to be the chief guest at today's convocation. Mainstreaming vocational education is a core challenge which we are seeking to address by setting up Bachelor of Vocational Studies (BVOC) programs. One of our challenges is to find ways of providing affordable reskilling opportunities for people to meet the ever-changing requirements of the job market. In order to promote greater mobility and flexibility, we must create modular education packages for our students. From the coming academic year, we will be introducing the choice-based credit system, CBCS, at the undergraduate level, a vital first step in the direction of creating modular education packages. A fundamental objective is to allow each student to pursue his or her interests with passion and complete dedication, whereby all preferences, such as choosing dramatics rather than biochemistry, are treated as legitimate and valid. The arbitrary distinction between curricular, co-curricular, and extracurricular learning is eliminated, and sports, culture, and value education become seamlessly intertwined. In order to promote creativity and self-expression in our students, we must develop open content, data, and resources, including interactive, adaptive, and multimedia courseware and simulation. However, even as we deploy new technologies in education, we need to appreciate the knowledge that exists in living traditions and social practices, especially marginal knowledge traditions. To this end, as part of the skill enhancement courses at the undergraduate level, we intend to recognize traditional master craftsmen and women as instructors and examiners, thereby acknowledging that they have very significant skills and knowledge to impart to the younger generation.
Prudent खातीर मुकेश कुमार.